Hi there, today I'm going to be reviewing this awesome pop-up screen tent. I love that the bag it comes in is actually big enough to put it back in without any struggle. It's super fast and convenient to set up. One person can set this up alone in just a few moments. This tent is really high quality and well made. Here are the accessories that are included. It comes with metal stakes to secure it to the ground. Staking it to the ground is really simple as well. The zipper is also really high quality and doesn't snag. I love how spacious this tent is. It's great to be able to enjoy beautiful weather while being protected from sun and bugs. I highly recommend this fantastic screen tent.